I took over J&M in 2013. From one person in 2013 to now, we are about 50 staff strong. Business growth has grown about 4,000%. We just needed a bigger space as we grew. This is our sixth office in the last 9 years. When we spoke with Unispace, we said, look, let's push it. Let's go as flexible, as collaborative, as multifaceted in terms of permutation as we can go. At the end of the day, it's for the employees. When they come to the office, it's going to be seamlessly connected to any room they are in, to do a conference call, to project to a screen. It should be really at the touch of a button. Thus, we segregated the office into work and play. We were initially worried that if people didn't have their fixed desk and that sense of belonging, we're going to see a drop in productivity. But we actually saw the reverse. It is very important to be happy at work. A happy employee is a productive employee. That's the environment that we wanted to create for the employees. You guys knew what a client or a customer needed.